guess what area we're going to tackle today on my Get Organized series? Yep, under the kitchen sink. But first, I'm Allison, a professional organizer, and I've been helping clients reclaim their space and their lives for nearly a decade. I decided not to clean up the space before I showed it to you because I want you to see what it actually looks like, and I also want you to understand about organization is that it's not about perfection all the time. It's about having a system in place so that when you do need to do a tidy, it's easy. We're actually even missing something from here because I usually keep the compost. Hang on. All right. This is fully what lives under my kitchen sink. We have quite a few categories here. Recycling, we have compost, we have a little laundry, cleaning products, and then we have under the sink linens, for lack of a better term. This is a space in a lot of people's homes that tends to get super cluttered and disorganized. And here I highly suggest you just store it where you use it. What do I mean by that? If you're not using the product in the kitchen, stop shoving it under your sink. I have these stackable clear drawers here, and this allows me to really access everything, even the stuff in the back. Here I keep washcloths for my little one's hands, faces, and normally in the back all of my hand towels are there, but we're in the middle of laundry and there's nothing left. Here's where we keep any sponges for dishes, as well as cloths to wipe down the counters. And in the back is miscellaneous. This is a mini laundry hamper, so all the dirty cloths, towels, washcloths go in there. It usually gets dumped into the washing machine once a day or every other day. Next up, we have compost over here, and then recycling in the back. Again, we take it out fairly often, so we don't have to have super big containers. And I forgot about up here, it's cleaning supplies, but only stuff that we actually use in the kitchen. I also try to make use of the inside of the cupboard doors. So over here, we have this little kind of plastic bag sock thing, and then on this other side is where I hang up my dish gloves. I'm gonna tidy this up quick so you can see what it's supposed to look like. Here is the space after like a 3-minute tidy up. Recycling got emptied, laundry got dumped into the washing machine, and I tidied up my little drawers here, and I restocked our kitchen towel. And if you need more specific help getting organized, you can go ahead and schedule an organizing chat with me. Let me know if something like this would work for you and follow along to keep getting organized with me.